welcome to your viewers. Today we will discuss about the single national curriculum, its introduction and its vision, objectives, and later we will in the next video we will discuss the developmental stages of the single national curriculum. As you know, the Prime Minister of Pakistan has announced that there will be single national curriculum for all the Pakistani students. The vision is to form a system of education for all in terms of curriculum, medium of instruction, and a common platform of assessment so that all students have a fair and equal opportunity to receive high quality education. And the single national curriculum is, of course, a step towards this. The objectives of this SNC is actually involves many things. First of all, the first objective is that all children have a fair and equal opportunity to receive high quality education. Secondly, as there will be the uniform education, so we can expect social cohesion and national integration. And of course, disparity in education content across the multiple streams will be alleviated. So alleviation of disparity in education content across the multiple streams. Fourth point is equal opportunities for upward social mobility and equity in education and overall development of children in light of emerging international trends and local aspirations. Smooth interprovincial mobility of teachers and students. So what will be the key consideration in this regard? The key considerations are teachings of Quran and Sunnah, vision of Qaid and Iqbal, constitutional framework, national policies, aspiration, and national standards. Then the alignment with the goals and targets of SDG 4, Standard Development Goal number 4, that is Education for All, and emerging international trends in teaching, learning, and assessment, an outcome-based approach of learning, focus on values, life skill-based and inclusive education, respect and appreciation for different cultures and religions in local and global contexts, promotion of intellectual, spiritual, aesthetic, emotional, social and physical development of learners, and move away from rote memorization and focus on project, inquiry and activity-based learning. Development of 21st century skills including analytical, critical and creative thinking. Use of ICT, information and communication technology, and alignment with trends in international mathematics and science studies.